Hi you guys, welcome back to another vlog. I am cooking for my family tonight. It is Sunday night. I have been working on a video for you guys. It's taken me all weekend. It's my favorite apps of 2021. I'll try to get that up for you guys tomorrow. And yeah, tonight I'm just going to make this a cooking vlog. We are making, because we went to the grocery store yesterday, I'm making hamburger helper stroganoff. And my daughter has a friend over. She had a friend over all weekend. My teenage daughter does. They went skating last night, so we're going to do 2 boxes. I am scrambling the meat right now. And yeah, this is gonna be a cook with Shauna vlog. The meat is almost done, and then I'm gonna drain the grease. I feel great. I have a fresh tan on. So that always makes me feel better. If you're interested, I have a lot of tanning videos on my channel. If you're interested in the products I use, just let me know in the comments down below what type of tanners and stuff like that I use. But yeah, this is just going to be a cooking vlog. I haven't been anywhere today, but yesterday we did go get groceries. For the week, we have a grocery store. It used to be called Piggly Wiggly, and then they changed the name to Pick and Save. And it's really close to my townhouse, so we like going there sometimes because we really didn't want to go to Walmart. So yeah, that's where we went, and we got stuff to have. We might do a taco. If y'all want to see a family taco night, let me know in the comments. Okay, I'm going to drain the grease and I will get back with you guys. Okay, so I do cooking vlogs on my channel sometimes, and if y'all like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Now I'm going to drain the grease. I just have this cup right here that I'm going to drain the grease in. And like I said, I'm making hamburger helper stroganoff. What are your guys' favorite hamburger helper? Ours is the stroganoff and the chicken one. Like you add shredded chicken to it. It's really, really good too. But for now, we're doing the hamburger stroganoff. So I'm draining the grease now. And I just wanted to get a vlog up for you guys because, like I said, it's taken me all weekend to do the app vlog, and that won't be up till tomorrow. And I wanted to have a vlog up for this weekend. So the grease is in that cup. So now after you, this is just an easy, simple meal. It's pretty healthy. It's only 120 calories. I have a lot of apps that I'm keeping up, like tracking my meals, the calories, my nutrients, my macros, and those apps I will be talking about on my new video coming out tomorrow that I'm excited to share with you guys. But yeah, this is a healthy dinner that you can make for your family. This is going to be for me, my boyfriend, Olivia, my daughter, and her friend. And it calls for 3/4 cup hot water and 2 1/4 cups of milk. So I need to get the hot water. Let me see if I have a 3/4 cup measuring cup. I have some measuring cups right here. But we'll just use this one. You want to get hot water, and we want to do, since we're making 2 boxes, it's going to call for 2 things of hot water. We're going to add the milk, and then after you add all of this, you want to add okay, so after you add all this, the milk, the sauce, the pasta, you want to heat it to boil and then let it simmer. So after I add everything, I'm going to heat it up to boiling, and hopefully all of this will fit in my pan. This is the only skillet I have really. So I'm adding, actually, yeah, I'm going to have to do 2 boxes because there's 4 of us eating. So I'm just adding the sauce mix, and then I'm going to open up the other box. Well, I'm going to go ahead and stir this, and then I'm going to heat it up to boiling. So if y'all are wondering what that is, that's where the washer and dryer goes, and I need to declutter that shelf, and we hang our clothes there on that rack. Is what that is behind me. So I'm just stirring it. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. It smells so good. And after I stir it, I'm going to go ahead and add a little more milk, and then add the other pasta mix. When we were at the grocery store, like I said, I got a taco salad kit. If y'all want to see taco night, I will film that for you guys when I cook the tacos. Just let me know if y'all like these type of cooking vlogs. When I first started my channel, I had a lot of cooking ones, and I have a playlist for it. It's under cooking videos, I do believe. And so you want to turn that up to a boil. I'm going to add some more milk, and then we got milk at the grocery store. I got creamer for my coffee. Right now I'm having a bottle of water because I am trying to drink a lot more water besides like 2 bottles a day. And yeah, this skillet, I need a little bit bigger skillet, guys, but that's okay. This will work. This will work. It's just enough. I'll show y'all guys in just a minute. As long as I keep it stirred and everything, it should be fine. And then after I stir all this, then you'll want to put it on simmer. I think you let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Let me see what it says on here. Stirring occasionally 10 minutes. And then after that, it's usually ready to eat. I'm just going to let it simmer and not put a lid on it because I want to keep stirring it. And so, that's that. Let me turn it down now. Okay. So now I'm just stirring it all because I want to make sure there's plenty for everybody to eat. Like I said, my teenage daughter's friend is over. She's staying the weekend with us. Babe is off work tonight. He goes back tomorrow. So he's in there in the living room resting, getting caught up on his rest, which is great. And yeah, I'm cooking. We had biscuits when we got up. I cooked us some buttermilk biscuits. And I also bought sausage and this right here because I want to make some sausage balls. If y'all want me to vlog that, let me know in the comments, because I do enjoy cooking and trying new meals. I made sausage balls a long time ago, and it was so yummy, and so I want to make those very soon. All you need is the cheese, the sausage, and we use Bisquick to make that with. And I'm going to add some more milk to this. And this is the last bit of milk, so I wanted to go ahead and use that up anyways. And I'm just making sure I keep this stirred because the pan, like I said, I used 2 boxes, so the pan is full. And then you just want it to simmer and keep it stirred very well. Yeah, babies. And because, yeah, you want it to simmer for 10 minutes until the noodles get soft and everything. Let me show you guys how it looks so far. Yeah, that's how it looks so far. And I will get back to you guys in a bit. Alright, y'all, it's done. I got these so I won't have so many dishes all the time. And I'm about to plate or bowl. We're going to put it in a bowl. I'm using this spatula right here, this plastic. I'm going to put this in a bowl and then make a thumbnail. And this is what I used, 2 of these boxes, so we would have enough for everybody. And that's going to be our dinner for tonight. Forgot, we have all of these leftover biscuits, so I'm preheating them in the oven, and we're going to have those with our meal as well. So biscuits and hamburger helper stroganoff, it is for dinner tonight. Alright, y'all, I just put everything in these bowls, and everything's done now. We're about to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, this cooking vlog with me. That's going to be it for this video, and I will see y'all in tomorrow's video. Bye, guys.